the video I was doing got lost. You get the first part of it where I put the bottom section of this 7-tier rack together. So I'm going to at least show the filament on the rack. This is the completed rack. It's a little wobbly right now. You can adjust the feet, but I'm going to adjust them when I get it into its hole. So this is my translucent filament I just wanted to show. It's like that G that I've gotten. I've used a lot of it, as you can see. Well, you can kind of see. Used a lot of it. Most projects came out well. They've printed well. I've used almost all of that. But get an idea of putting still vacuum seal. I like to leave a vacuum seal that's already used, and I'm sure I don't use it. Everybody else is the same way. Multi-color. Like I said, this is organized and not this is to show that you can keep a decent amount of filament on this rack. It's 12. It's 12 on one shelf. 12 times 7, right? So that's pretty good. I like it. I really do like it. It's probably not enough. Probably gonna need more. I might try to find some wall mount ones I can mount on the wall. I'm not purchasing any right now because I've spent enough money kind of setting up my little workshop here. But I hope everybody likes my workshop. I also got into I'm going to be doing a video on post processing this guy. Got off as Flicks. I printed it kind of fast on my Neptune 3, and I had a little bit of, I sanded most of it out. I don't know if you can see that. I sanded most of it out, but I'd like it to be smooth and shiny again. So I got some stuff to smooth it. Hopefully safely smooth it. I know people have used acetone or claim that they've used acetone. Acetone's highly flammable. I prefer not to use that. If I have to, I will, and do the vapor smoothing. But I have some other stuff. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. I'm going to post another video. So, like I said, this is 3D printing at home. I'm Mike. Please like the videos, subscribe, so you know when these things come out. Now, this rack is going to the hole over there. I'm going to put everything away. I'm sorry I lost me assembling it. Maybe you're not sorry. Just kind of boring. It was kind of long. It was like 30 minutes long. This second part of this video, it's got to be the second part by now because I've got too much to post on YouTube. YouTube limits me right now to 10 minutes. So you're going to see a couple videos. Every video I do is going to be multiple videos. Going to have to be done in sections. So you're going to see part 1, part 2. This is the rack. It's pretty sturdy. All screws putting it together. I like it. I like it. Vevor rack. I'm going to try to put a link in the comments. Like I said, I'm new to the video, so I'm just getting used to doing this. I hope everybody likes it, enjoyed it. I'm not sponsored by them. I purchased this item, so that's all I got to say. Come back, join me. Let's fix some machines. Let's fix some machines and do the unboxing of the Prusa. That's going to be fun. Setting that up, putting it all together, setting it up, and start printing with that. I can't wait. But I got some other stuff I want to do first. I want to practice on some videos so I give you a good quality video. This is one of those practice videos where I'm going to do it, I'm going to post it, and there we are. So, Vevor rack. I'm going to try to get better at this. Leave your comments what you think. Check Vevor out. I've gotten some nice stuff from them. So, like I said, come join us at 3D Printing at Home, and have a wonderful day.